Alpha Maga. I dinner. I'm on swear to play. For tomorrow match, I play Man United win 7-0 against Liverpool. Against Tottenham.
Hey, wait. But boy, don't come, man. Check. You even bet with money.
I bet 1-5.
Jesus is Lord.
I trust you now. Now so your money go just go.
You
don't
what?
say Tottenham go beat Man U.
I thought I go beat Man U. What did they
You
tell
see
me?
their recent game where they play. Liverpool versus Man U. You know wetin they
No be 5-0 them play.
no be 5-0. I still dey bet. Leicester and Man U again. Wetin they play?
4-2. Man, tell
Apostle
something.
will hear of this.
You know this life will dey like this. Like for me now, like today. So as I dey tell you, me now I go market tomorrow. You understand me? The customer wey I meet today, tomorrow now, if he change something for me. You understand?
You know say this game where they play. This one too sure say Tottenham go beat Man U. Because say their coach wey dem put for here na rubbish. Na rubbish dem dey play.
Lord.
You gone sef see the club wey you dey follow.
You be like say they mad. Na my only. Na you dey talk say the coach no
This
good.
one na rubbish jare guy.
And I still dey tell you, dey tell me na your money, na my money.
Hand. Why you go dey beg on top this kind? This time make you go use am buy car dey watch better thing. No be say
God don play. Let's say the man.
Sorry, oh.
Beat up.